Hey, today amazing people, how you doing today? Yes, so today I am going to be sharing an insight into how you can run Facebook ads in 2022. So, as you know, like almost every year, Facebook evolve, their platform evolve, their function evolve. So this is the first part in my series of how you can run a profitable Facebook ads in any aspect. You are a business owner, you sell e-commerce stuff, you sell services, you'll be want to stay tuned to this tutorial. Yeah, so also I'd like to give big thanks to those that have subscribed to my channel. We just finally hit 109 subscribers. Like, that is so crazy, and I am grateful for you that have subscribed. I am grateful, but it's still showing that 99%, like 99, literally 99% of all people that are viewing my content are not subscribed. So if you are here today, please subscribe to my channel. It's actually boosts my morale, and it is a big way to support me, and I will appreciate that. Yes, so quickly, I want us to, if you want to get access to a ads manager, let's say you are new to the whole process of running ads on Facebook. First thing you need to know that if you have a Facebook account, like you literally have a Facebook, like once you go to the website, you have an account, automatically you have a Facebook ads manager. You have an ads manager, but you don't have a business manager. If you have not run ads before, you don't have a business manager, I would create a new video on how I can create business manager and actually use all these tools. For this tutorial, all I'll be doing is to share you how you can start your basic ads and what you should look out for. So in any ad, there are three sections. There is the campaign, and there's the ad set, and there's the ad. The campaign comprises of like the objective, the testing. The ad set is more about the your targeting, your budgets, and the ads is your creative, and where you are sending people to. So let's say you're an e-commerce person. Let's go to jumia.com. Yeah, okay. Yes, so let's go look for one product. Yeah, let's say you want to sell this clipper. Let's save image. Sell this clipper. Okay. Mistake. So you want to sell this clipper, yeah? Okay. Now what you want to do is, first of all, you want to create ad. You want to click on create ad. Click on create ad. Now you have three sections. There's the awareness, there's the consideration, and there is the conversion stage. The awareness stage is when you want people to know about your product. What it's going to do is that they are going to send your image or your video to as much people as possible. Now, if you are a small brand, you don't want to actually enter this at all. You want to stay away from this. The consideration is you wanting for people to take action. Like, you want them to click on your website, that is traffic. You want them to engage with your post, that is engagement. You want them to download your app installs. You want them to view the video, there's a video post. You want to generate leads for the real estate people. This you might want to actually take a look at this. For message, like you want them to send a message, okay, I want to learn about this and this. You might want to use this. For the conversion, if you are an e-commerce person or you are selling stuff that you want them to take action immediately, to buy immediately, to book immediately, these are things that you want to use. Now, for this example, I'll be using the traffic with because this is literally like the most used objective for almost all Nigerians. Like, get to send traffic to our website. Like, even as an e-commerce person, sometimes the traffic or the engagement may be necessary before the conversion that is actually used at all. So let's name this under test one. Okay, yeah, so continue. So after you name your campaign, the next thing you want to is looking at here, show you is the special ad like category. So like if you are into politics, some social ads, you want to run social ad, which I would really advise you not to on Facebook, because they frown a lot on this thing. So if you just click and say that okay, I'm into any of this thing, as like real estate, this housing, I can say advise you to do it. But let's say these loans, employment, I've not really used them as much, so I won't really advise you to use them at all. So yeah, next one is, as you see, your campaign objective is traffic. This A/B testing, like in case you want to test your ad, like you have a image and a video, and you want to see which one is working best, you might want to use A/B testing. Or you have two targeted, Lagos and Abuja, and you want to see who are going to convert most. This is what you want to use. And for the campaign purchase optimization, I would not advise if you have less than $500 to run ad in a day to actually does own this thing. Because this thing is for when you have a big budget and like you don't want to be looking at it all the time, and you just want to just put money there and let it do and like optimize for you. This is what you want to use. So now this is the ad set. The ad set is where you see your ad set, traffic name. Now we won't send our traffic to. You can send it to websites or apps or Messenger, WhatsApp, or calls. Now if your page, your Facebook page, is connected to your WhatsApp and you want to make quick bucks, I'm not sure they will allow this. Like in Facebook now, you have to spend an amount to be able to access this WhatsApp stuff. So when you want to sell a product and you just put WhatsApp, what they do that they'll just put your WhatsApp contact, and when people click on the contact, they will send them directly to your WhatsApp, then you can try and like convert them. And yeah, so let's go to the next thing. Now for your budget and schedule, if you are running on Nigerian naira, I'll suggest you use at least 2.5 a day. Now you might say, how, Chama, this 2.5 is much. Why can't I do 500? Why can't I do 1,000? Can I do 1.5? Now you can test it from your side, but I have spent over 5 million naira in just last month on ads, and I can tell you categorically this amount is the best to convert if you are starting small. 2,500, and if it's in dollar, like $5, don't go below $5 if you want reasonable result. Like if you want to wait weeks and spend money and don't get results, you can go $1, $2, $3. But if you want to get results quickly and easily, you might want to stay above that $5 rank on all those. So yeah, your start date, you want to adjust it maybe to 2 hours before. Then yeah, so that makes sense. Now for your audiences is another different module entirely. It is, some people say it's the most important part of an ad, but for me, I feel like every part is very important. But for this, if you are able to target effectively, you would have an higher chance of converting people. That's what I just feel in my. But of course, you might want to, at least if you don't do anything, make sure that the language is in English, And what else can I quickly do? If you are an e-commerce person and your product is in Lagos, you don't want to target Jewel of Nigeria because of let's say you have like 20 to like 50k to do business, and someone is calling you from like Abuja, and the delivery fee is like 6k, and I say you just wasted money, and you might want to do some targeting. Let's say for most of e-commerce, you want to have at least engaged shoppers. Yeah, so at least targeting option. And if you are spending like $5, like you might want to keep your audience like below 1 million. Below 1 million, it is like, to me, for that budget, it is the best audience size. So yeah, for your placement, now you have an option to either choose between Facebook, Instagram, audience network, or Messenger. So you might want to take time to look at all these platforms: the newsfeed, Instagram feed, marketplace, video. So there's a lot of places that your ads can go to, and sometimes your ads actually go out of the Facebook and Instagram app to some partners platform. Like sometimes, like if you use the Android player, the like the MX player, sometimes you see like Facebook ads on that platform, and you wonder, but also it's not my Facebook app. Is because they are partners and they allow themselves to run ads to better convert. Now, this is the creative side for. This is just my demo account, so I think I'm owing like 200 naira there, and yeah. So as you can see, this last part, which is the ad name. Then this is your Facebook page, your Instagram page. That's to be connected to your Facebook profile for you to run an ad, and then you can choose your creative, either is an image or a video. For this, I also want us to kind of let's create something very simple. Okay, let's add media, add image, upload. Go to downloads. Just choose this. Yeah, so got this stuff. I want to show you what it looks like. Let's say you want to sell this clipper. You found that the clipper is making sense, and people are buying it on whatever platform you're saying. I just want to sell it. You just upload the image or a video. Sometimes like converts more than an image. Not every time. Always test. Yes. So, and for your website, just put your landing page. Let's say google.com. Of course, it will not accept if I decide to say, okay, play. You want to say it's not your domain or it does not make sense. You get. So yeah. So I think this is a quite short tutorial. I wanted it to be as short as possible, so if you are just getting started with Facebook ads, you would be able to understand where I'm coming from quite quickly.